Can the Origins Bird 4124 were full. Good luck. Dice roll 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 8 here, 8 here. Cowboys up top. Dolphins at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 8 here, 8 here. Stacy up top. Tremaine at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there is your squads. All the teams sorted. Good luck. Origins Bird. Here we go. First box of Origins Hobby we're opening today. Good luck, good luck. Again, take your spots. There's more birds on the site. There's 2 boxers and there's 4 box PYTs. Again, there are 3+1. So we break 3 boxes, then someone's getting a personal box out of those PYTs. Again, good luck, good luck. Here we go. Starting off for the Packers, Dontavion Wicks, 35 out of 149 for Green Bay. Again, these cards look too nice. I love the look of Origins this year. To 149, Dontavion Wicks going to Daniel Rice. Aaron Donald, 20 out of 125 for the Rams, going to Gene Gottlieb. Base for the Dolphins, Jalen Waddle. Going to Tremaine Winters. Jordan Addison. Base rookie for the Vikings and Nathan McLeod. Will Anderson Jr. Rookie jumbo jersey to 199 for the Houston Texans and Michael Bushnell, closer's luck. Nice up there, Michael. If you like one Will Anderson Jr., how about a second one? This time some ink. Will Anderson Jr. on the auto to 49 for the Houston Texans and Michael Bushnell. And we got RPA Kendre Miller for the Saints and Daniel Rice. And Kendre Miller on the RPA for Daniel Rice. Again, let's recap it. Got Will Anderson Jr. to 199. Addison, Waddle, Donald to 125. Dontavion Wicks to 149. Will Anderson to 49 on the ink. And RPA Kendre Miller for the Saints and Daniel. That is the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.